Aiming for the sky, in colloquial language, is motto for many others. But for us, it's a goal that we strive to achieve. Team Onyx India consists of various departments, from design to manufacturing to marketing. Its foundation is based on common passion for aeromodelling, a drive to build a model that can compete on international standards. But most importantly, opening doors for those students who want to get initiated in the field of aerospace engineering and aviation.
Hi, I'm Sorab Mistry and I was one of the founding members of Team Onyx. Team Onyx is taking part in SAE Aero Design USA this year, and it's been taking part over there since my times. And I believe it's an excellent platform for students to learn much more than just engineering. And I've come to learn that it's almost like a startup environment. You learn constraint analysis, designing, financial management, team management, people management skills. And then comes the next question. There are many competitions in India already, so why go international? From my experience, I've gone to the foreign ones and the Indian ones, and there's a stark difference in the way they are conducted, the safety standards, and more importantly, the feedback you get from the international competitions is absolutely priceless. I still think India has a lot way to go in that particular field, and currently I would advise only international competitions.
And this is where we need your support. The registration fee of the competition is just one section of the entire pie chart. And to perform at international competitions with multiple rules and restrictions, and to compete with teams at extremely high calibers, we need some components such as motors, which have to be imported from different countries which are not readily available in India. For smooth engagement of such components, we need fabrication processes to be extremely precise. So fabrication processes come in form of water jet cutting, laser cutting, 3D printing and other manufacturing processes, which although cost more but help us in maintaining standard and quality required for the international competitions such as SAE.
I am faculty advisor of Team Onyx. Over the years, the team has participated in almost all the competitions held in India and many times in abroad also. Mostly US is the venue. The team had its share of highs and lows during this period. But one thing I can say for sure, that I always found them on the right track, and I am sure that they will perform beyond expectations in the coming events.